Hello and welcome to our honest review of Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce stock, also known as $CM. In this video, we'll go over the advantages and disadvantages of this stock, and give it a final rating out of 10. First, let's start with the advantages. Canadian Imperial Bank is one of the top dividend stocks in the market, with a dividend yield of 4.59%. This is higher than the industry average of 3.79%, and much higher than the S&P 500 average of 1.55%. The company has also increased its dividend 5 times in the last 5 years, with an average annual increase of 4.91%. This shows that the company is committed to returning value to its shareholders. Furthermore, the company has a strong domestic position in Canada, with a great personal and commercial business, capital markets, and wealth management. It also has a modest presence in the U.S., and has stayed out of trouble there. According to experts, the stock currently trades at a lower valuation compared to peers like Royal Bank of Canada, making it an attractive option for those interested in adding Canadian banks to their portfolios. Now, let's move on to the disadvantages. One concern is the Canadian economy's impact on growth, particularly in light of potential risks from residential mortgages and commercial real estate. However, several analysts appreciate CM's good earnings and asset management capabilities. Another concern is that the stock is Canada-centric and exposed to residential mortgages and commercial real estate in Canada, which are two iffy sectors. In terms of the stock price, it has seen a price change of -5.52% so far this year. While this is not ideal, it's important to note that the market has been mediocre overall, and the Mag 7 were down slightly. However, the banks were up high single digits and the airlines were also up. Now, it has all turned around. Tech continues to go down and the banks are tanking as well. In conclusion, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce stock has its advantages and disadvantages. The company's strong dividend yield and commitment to returning value to shareholders are big pluses. However, the potential risks from the Canadian economy and the company's exposure to residential mortgages and commercial real estate are important to consider. After weighing these factors, we give Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce stock a final rating of 6 out of 10. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that this video is not financial advice and it is always recommended to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and we hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews. Have a great day. Note, this script is generated by AI and it is not financial advice. The information is based on the data available at the time of generating the